Hey guys, it's Eric Roberts from Worship the King. Today we're going to be doing the bridge section of Glorious Day, and there is a little tweak in here. I've got this chart. You can download this chart anytime at worshiptheking.com, and the description has a link to the free chart. But I give you this because there are some things in here that we got to do if we want to make this right. You can do this any which way. When I do it with my band, I always like to do it just like this. I'm going to show you how to do it, then I'm going to break it down for you. It goes like this. I needed rescue, my sin was heavy, but chains break at the weight of your glory. I needed shelter, I was an orphan, now you called me a citizen of heaven. When I was broken, you were my healer. So that's basically the gist of it. You can see it's got that little push on there. I want to show you exactly on this thing what you do. So basically you're doing a palm mute down the whole time on the I needed rescue, my sin was heavy. And that on the record it kind of goes like and I think I'll add that to this chart for you, and I'm also going to add the tab for the little da-da-da-da-da-da-da. So make sure you go over to worshiptheking.com, click the link in the description here, and you can actually get that chart. But it goes... But in this video, I'm going to just keep it simple and go, I needed rescue, my sin was heavy, the chains break at the weight of your glory. I needed shelter, I was an orphan, now you call me a citizen of heaven. When I was broken, you were my healing, now your love is the air that I'm breathing. So that's when we go into the thing. So that is basically just 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, and that's what's on this chart here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I was broken, you were my healing. 1, 2, 3, bow. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the band and you, if you're doing this by yourself, have to come in on 2. So 1, I was broken. 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. And I kind of have a tendency to like kind of tap my foot or stomp my foot on that. 1, I'm broken, you are my healing, your love is the air that I'm breathing. So that's all you do with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, the air that I'm. Now E minor. I have a future D that I open, 'cause when you call my C, 2, 3, 4, off, 2, back, da, 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 da. All right, so that is how it goes. I'm going to do it one more time, break it down kind of slow, and you really need this chart if you want to see it. So I'll do it by rote sort of on this video in case you didn't get the chart or don't get it. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4 to D, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, name, 2, 3, and off, 2, out of that grave, out of the darkness. All right, so now that you guys got that, you should have that down pretty good, just as you're coming up to it. Now you call me a citizen of heaven. When I was broken, you were my healing. Now your love is the air that I'm breathing. I have a future, my eyes are open, 'cause when you call my name, I ran out of that grave. All right, so that is what we're doing. Download the chart. You can watch all the videos in this series anytime if you want to learn more about this. You can join Worship the King, the membership. It's easy to do, and you can go through all the lessons. If you feel a little overwhelmed, or if you're like, I need to learn syncopation better, or I need to just learn my chord shapes better, or my palm muting, or whatever better, then join that. And you can also check on the website for all the Glorious Day videos. They'll all be broken down for each part. And I'm going to break down that little syncopated rhythm in another video. So make sure you check out the other videos on Glorious Day. God bless you guys. I'll see you around.